Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Supriya, and today I am here with the grammar structure of English. So let's get started with the articles. Now we'll start with the articles. Now see, let's define the article. Articles are words that defines a noun as specific or unspecific. आर्टिकल वो है जो नाउन के बारे में बताता हो कि वो स्पेसिफिक है या अनस्पेसिफिक है. लेट्स सी द एग्जाम्पल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राम इज अ बॉय. वी ऑल नो दैट बॉय इज अ नाउन. सो यहाँ अ नाउन के बारे बता रहा है. Now let's come to the kinds of articles. There are mostly two kinds of articles, that is definite article and indefinite article. Under definite article comes the, and under indefinite articles comes a and an. Now let's see the usage of articles. First of all, we'll learn about the uses of the indefinite articles, that is an and a. Now see, an is used before the vowels. We all have read that we have 5 vowels. And what are those 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So an is used before the vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U. Let's give an example. For example, an apple, an egg. Now see, a is used before the consonants. Except the 5 vowels, rest are known as consonants. A is used before the consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are considered as a consonant. For example, a bat, a cow, a girl. Now we learn about the uses of the definite article, that is the. Now see, the is used before a specific noun, that is one kind of noun or a noun which is single in the world. जो वर्ल्ड में बस एक ही हो या एक पर्टिकुलर काइंड ऑफ नाउन. लेट्स सी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, द गंगा. We all know कि गंगा is a holy river and it's one. The Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar. One more thing is there, we can also use the before the proper nouns. Now, here are some exceptions. Let's see. Here, honest. What is the spelling of honest? H-O-N-E-S-T. But here, H is silent. We pronounce it honest. So before it, it will be an. One more exceptional, R. What is the spelling of R? H-O-Q-R. Where H is also silent. So here we use an. The other word, honor. Here also H is silent, so we use an. Come to the exceptions of a. Here, university. Though it starts with the vowel U, but it pronounces Y. Because of that, a is used. The second word, European. Here also, though the word is starting with E, which is a vowel, but it pronounced as Y. Here also we use a. Same thing, unique. Here also the word is being started with U, which is a vowel, but it pronounced as Y. So these are some exceptions of a and an. Here are some notes which we have to put in mind before using a and the. Note number 1. A and an is used in a singular noun, not in a plural form. जब कोई एक वर्ड रहता है तभी हम लोग अ एंड एन यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एक से अगर ज़्यादा रहे तो उस केस में ए एंड एन का यूज़ नहीं होता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, देयर आर एप्पल्स. दो ए, here a is a vowel, but here we cannot use any articles. Next point, a and an cannot be used before uncountable noun. It means जो चीज़ हम लोग काउंट नहीं कर सकते. For example, milk. क्या हम लोग milk count कर सकते हैं? No, it cannot be counted. So before these uncountable nouns, we do not put any kind of articles. For example, milk, information, grammar. These were some notes where the articles cannot be used. This was the article, the usage of a, and the. If you find it beneficial, then please do like my channel and don't forget to subscribe so that you get tuned with my latest videos. Thank you.